You're making out, honey.
Oh, my legs are so tired.
Good old peanut butter and jelly.
How about this? Some ice pack on your whole face.
Well, it used to be an old fire tower that they tore down, and instead they put an observation deck up here. And it's supposed to be some pretty amazing views, so let's check it out. Rocks down there are just kind of balancing. See that?
Well, welcome back to our channel. This week's adventure takes us to Moores Knob in Danbury, North Carolina.
Yep, at the Hanging Rock State Park.
Hanging Rock State Park.
So you can see there's all these trails here, and we're going to be doing the Moores Wall Loop, 4.7 miles. It's also part of the Mountains to Sea Trail, goes right through here. So once again, we're back on the Mountains to Sea Trail, and we're hoping to capture some great fall foliage to show to you guys.
We hope we will. There's some pretty colors right here, and maybe as we move on up, get those over there. So they're so pretty.
Oh yeah.
Red and yellow. So hopefully towards the top will be colorful too.
So let's go. We hear there's a lot of steps on this trail. We've never done this one before. So are your knees up for it today?
Hopefully brand new trail to us.
Yep. My legs are tired already.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Stay on the Mountain to Sea Trail. The worst case, we end up in
Clingman's Dome. Stream crossing.
Hello.
Hey down there. You by the waterfall? It looks like we have some steps coming up.
Tired yet?
I might be.
I'm getting tired just looking at them.
Are you hungry yet?
I am hungry. I hear there's a McDonald's at the top.
Yeah, right. Try to find the best way without expending as much energy for these high steps. Here we are in the woods. We come across an RV. I guess we found the campground. Okay, so they have all these red dots painted along the side of the road. So I guess we follow those, and it leads us to the next trail.
Looking good, looking good. Looking strong.
Sure is a warm one.
The sign said 1.3 miles to the top, straight up.
For October 30th, it's a really warm day.
Yep.
Just continuing to climb in elevation. Wow. Tons and tons of steps all the way up here. Probably won't be quite as bad if it was in the 50s or 60s. What is it when you pass by one person and ask if you're getting close to the summit, and he says, yes, not much farther. And then you walk a little ways and you pass two more people and you say, almost there? And they say, oh no, there's quite a ways to go yet.
All right, it's time for a peanut butter and jelly break.
Yep.
We're making good progress. You know, we're about almost to the top, I think. Still got this long set of stairs to go. And we said we need a little energy, right? Good old peanut butter and jelly.
How about this? Some ice pack on your whole face.
And we're having a healthful and nutritious tangerine. I have one more in there. We're going to split this one for some potassium.
And we have some apples,
cheese,
crackers,
and ice packs to cool your face. We see the observation tower up there, way up there. We still have some climbing to do. Hey, honey. Should I tell her that it's that far? How much further is it to the top?
Oh gosh.
They said we're almost there. you're totally peanut butter and jellied out now. Maybe. Hang in there, we're almost to the top. Looks like it's leveling off to a trail now. Whew. Wow, that feels good to walk on level ground. I'm gonna go out and check out Balanced Rock. Oh, it is balanced, look at that. I was gonna climb up on that rock, but I don't want to fall. Is this the way to the shopping mall?
Yeah, the shopping mall.
McDonald's is down to the left. Rhododendron is the stuff with the big, long, leathery leaves.
Yeah.
And has the multi-bract flower.
Right.
The mountain laurel has smaller leaves, pink flowers that are really ornate. They have like little spiked balls on them. It's a really pretty flower.
And if you take the flower, it's real gummy.
It used to be an old fire tower that they tore down, and instead they put an observation deck up here, and it's supposed to be some pretty amazing views. Running kind of late in the day. It took us longer to get here than we thought, and so we're going to head back down to the car, and we're going to take the other trail back, which is less steps but it's further, so we better just start hustling and make some good time.
Okay, so this is cool. Look at this trail. We have the rhododendrons. Leave the rhododendrons over here, and we come through. There's a rock caught between these trees. Wow. What do you think of this?
So we know where we are.
Where's the dots? Ah, there's the dots. Good thing. Yeah, wow. And then you have to scramble down between these stones here. Whew. Okay.
It's getting dark. What, about 6:15?
Yeah, somewhere around there, 6:15, 6:30, I think.
Not sure why we had to go uphill when we're heading down the mountain. Well, we just came down long grade down. A lot of rocks to step on, and there were no steps, but it was pretty rugged, would you say?
This is the most
Strenuous.
challenging, strenuous hike I've been on, I think.
Yeah. Oh, we're never so happy to see the sign for the parking lot. But we made it back before dark, so that's a good thing.
And the sun's still out a little bit.
Yep. Now we just have that 2-hour drive home.
Yes. If you like this video of this hike, please give it a like and make a comment below. And we're trying to plan some trips for next year, so if you guys have any ideas where you'd like to see us go, just put it in the comments.
Or if you have any driveways that we could camp in, let us know.
True.
All right, until that, we will see you on the next adventure. Okay, it's running. Okay, here we go.